guys, I'm Anthony.
Hi, I'm Xiaoyun. Hi, I'm Johanna.
I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Sean. So today we are going to do some experimentation on whether these people can differentiate between YouTube files, Spotify, or a CD, pure FLAC files. I'm going to give them some papers here to write down what they think is the answer for each option. So I will play each song in a different sequence, in a file quality difference. So for all the three songs, the way I play it will be through one headphone, which is Soundmagic HP200, and then we have one Beats, which is a Beats mixer, using a MacBook Pro with AudioQuest Dragonfly DAC. The first test is going to be a song from Bruno Mars, Grenade, and they're going to listen it for 30 seconds each, using an open back headphone first. We'll start with Sean. Just listen that right. Okay.
It's so loud.
It's open back, so people can hear.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is
Alright. Okay, everybody's written down your answer? Yeah, it's right. Okay, go back to song, and this time we're gonna change to a different quality.
easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did.
Alright, what are your answers, are you? Okay, so now I'm gonna let them listen to one last time with a different quality, and they can choose to change their answer before we publish the results for the first test.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for ya, throw my hand on a blade for ya.
So everyone suddenly knows the answer. The third song, I don't know what it is, but okay. So now we're gonna publish the result for the first test. Alright, we have okay, we start from Xiaoyun first.
It's gonna be so bad.
Alright, so for Xiaoyun, the first quality is Spotify. Then after that is the FLAC with a CD file, and then the third one, last one is from YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna ask why do you think so? What makes a difference? And you cancel. I know you cancel a bit. You cancel quite a lot.
I
Yeah.
cancelled the first and the third one because the third one, the quality is not that
It's
nice.
not that nice. Okay, it's not
Yeah,
nice.
but I remember the first one, it was, compared to the second one, the first is definitely not that good, but after listening to the third one, I think from what I remembered, the first one is slightly better than the third one.
So basically, the first one,
Yeah.
although we compare the second one, is quite bad, but compared to the third one, it's better. That's what I remember. Okay, interesting. So now from Joanna. Alright. Wow, she never changed the answer, but actually she never write anything in the first place. So, okay, for Joanna is the first quality is CD files, second is Spotify, and third is from YouTube. Do you know? May I know why?
I think the first two are so hard to tell because so similar,
Yeah,
but I don't know. I think the first one is better.
first one is better.
You know, by 6 cents.
6 cents.
Just, you know, I don't know.
Wow.
But the last one is so obvious. It sounds like Bruno Mars get cold.
Bruno Mars get cold. That's
You
the
can
best
tell,
description ever.
yeah, you can tell by his voice.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah.
So that one is quite obvious apparently. So how about Alex here, who studying music? So let's see.
I wish I hadn't told anyone that now. I'm humble.
Alright, so Alex has cancelled some the first answer, which is quite weird because for the first one he put a YouTube, then a CD and a Spotify. Okay, for his the final answer is the first one is Spotify, second is YouTube, and third is from a CD file, which is quite different from the other two. So I know why is that. What makes you think so?
I was actually really struggling because I couldn't really remember what I'd heard before. So I was trying to keep track and it was quite difficult, but I wouldn't say these were random answers, but
What's that?
like
Mm.
close to random.
So it's close to random.
Close to a guess, yeah.
Close, it's more of a guess, but using his instincts. Maybe it's right, maybe it's wrong. We never know. How about Sean? Maybe
Will we find out?
You will find out. Okay. Okay, Sean is alright. Another interesting one. So his first one is YouTube. Second is CD files, FLAC, and third is Spotify. Remember why? Yeah, because yours is very different from the rest. So
Because I think the Spotify quality comes, it's more balanced
it's more balanced.
compared to compared to the flight, you know which one is flight, which one is Spotify.
Okay, so he knows. Was it?
No, but I think the first one is definitely everything's just still washed out in my mind, so it's not as good quality as the second and third.
Okay. Alright, interesting. So for the first test, I will reveal the answer now. Okay. Okay. For Bruno Mars, Grammy, the first piece that I played is actually from the YouTube. Oh, is that anyone correct? Oh, Sean is the one that get correct. So this one is not Spotify. This is CD files. Okay. Right. The second one is it's alright. That's something. Okay. The second one is from CD file.
Oh my
FLAC.
God.
I got it.
Oh, you see, some got it right second time. You're okay. Sorry as well. So, this is for YouTube. Well, sometimes you can't trust your instincts, so.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the third one everyone knows is Spotify. Which is
No one.
see almost
I got it.
The third one was so bad.
Alright.
Yeah, the last
Yeah,
one
this
was
thing
so
is so weird because the way everything sounds different, but only Sean here gets all three correct. Which
No, I didn't answer. This is
is there a mirror here somewhere? Okay, there's no mirror here, so wow, he actually gets correct. And it's the first time I see people get all three correct. So if it's not a cheating, so
I was listening, I was focusing.
he's listening, he's focusing. So I guess like 3 years in like filmmaking has made him a better listener. And he used to go to less parties.
Yeah, that's why my hearing's terrible.
So almost right. Almost right. Okay, Joanna, we need to listen to more songs in better quality. Alright then. So that's it for our first test. Second test, we play with a different headphone. This is a quick mixer, it's a close back. And I'm gonna play a different song. This time is Show Me the Meaning of Being Lonely. Of course, I play in a different sequence compared to the first song. And this time, we're gonna start with Shawin first.
Which one is better?
It works differently.
It's different. One is open back, one is closed back, so it doesn't leak out sound.
Open back is very good. Make you feel like a concert, but it's very like there. This one comes back is like it's
Yeah.
restricted.
This is more depends on audio, but to make things fair, is that we use different headphones. So, because if your ears are quite good itself, you don't need to see whether your headphone affects you at all.
Show me the meaning of being lonely. So many words for the broken heart. It's hard to see in a crimson love. So hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe night till the light so soon become wild and free. I can feel the sun. Your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the
So you're not writing down answer as well. Okay. Oh.
in a crimson love, so hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe night till the light so soon become wild and free. I can feel the sun. Your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the
And saying it was really expensive, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's the best wine I've ever had." And then they brought a really good wine, saying, "Oh yeah, this is cheap. I got it from Tesco."
Like
And
psychological
yeah, they were all
effect.
like, "Oh, this wine is crap."
Last one. So I'm doing this without psychological effects. So this is shit. No, I say all three are equal.
show me the meaning of being lonely. So many words for the broken heart. It's hard to see in a crimson love, so hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe night till the light.
Okay, so now let's see the second test. Backstreet Boys, show me the meaning of being lonely.
Yeah, very hard.
Okay, now let's check the answers. Oh wait, so let's take it back in. Alright, okay, let's start from Sharon. Okay, Sharon's first choice is YouTube, Spotify, and then CD, FLAC. Why is that so?
I cannot differentiate the first and two,
Mm-hmm.
but the third one is better.
The third one is better.
Yeah. I don't know.
Just because, yeah, because the way CD sit down is like from the worst to the best. Basically, YouTube, Spotify, and then CD. Okay, who knows? Maybe it's correct. Joanna, please. Alright, for Joanna, it's the FLAC, CD file, YouTube, and then Spotify, which is, well, it's almost the other way around from Sharon. Why is it so? What do you think so?
Wow, it's a really tough decision because I find the first one and the last one were quite close.
Quite close.
They were quite good. Both of them are good, but I think the middle one, the second one, is the worst. So yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Yeah, maybe this is right. Alright, Alex, please.
Oh yes.
Alright, I'm with Alex. Alright, this time. Okay. The first one that Alex got is the first choice is CD file, which is the same as Joanna. The second one is a Spotify. And then third one is YouTube. So this is the other way around from Shaolins. Yours is from the best to the worst. Why is it so, Alex?
The first one just really stood out to me. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure whether it was just the fact that I was using like clothes back and it just really felt me immersed.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, that wouldn't happen if I hadn't worn some open back before and seen the difference.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, yeah, this is like, I kind of put it down and I didn't want to cross it out again. The last time I crossed something out, I did it wrong. So, yeah.
Nice. Alright, so the guy who got everything correct the first one. Let's see the answers. Okay, this guy cancelled out the most. He cancelled out twice for the first one. So I first put a CD, then he changed it to Spotify, and changed to YouTube. So it's from the best to worst. Okay, so his one is his first choice is YouTube, then Spotify, and then a CD file. May I know why? I mean, he cancelled out 3 times.
And then because I was just comparing the quality because he played two.
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to compare both.
Yeah.
Then I see the last one, I was like, okay, this is quite hard. So, but I think the last one is
Mm-hmm.
stands out like it's clearer to me.
That's
So in terms of the bass, is a bit stronger.
Okay, base is strong.
Yeah. And the last one is just, I don't know, for me it's a bit, what the quality is not as good.
So the last one, you notice that the quality is not as good as the previous one. That's it. Alright, so now let's go for the result for test 2. Alright. Okay, for Backstreet Boys, show me the way of being only. The first music file I let them listen to is from Spotify.
Oh.
Oh, correct? Oh, no, that one gets wrong. Okay. Alright, then the second one is from YouTube. She got the other way around. So yeah, it's pretty close. And the last one you guys saw is CD files. me see which some get correct. Alright, some get correct.
Don't show this to my lecturer, please. I'm on thin ice already.
Have you thought of changing your course?
Yeah.
Wow!
Okay, so
I'm not thinking.
right.
Sorry about that. Why am I so serious?
I
Sorry.
Says kneel down to the camera.
We'll take that out.
Alright, so for second one is quite hard. So Sean will get a perfect score, you get one correct. Sean, you get one correct as well. Joanna get one correct, and okay. Next.
I don't get FLAC right. Like,
Yeah, because
so
it's
hard.
very clear.
Yeah.
YouTube and Spotify for me is quite hard.
Okay, the next one is using a speaker. Alright, so everyone will listen at the same time and they get to decide which one is which.
I remember the speaker.
We have the speaker. This is the one that we did. This is one that we did review from with Sean. Check out the previous video for this. So the next song is Mockingbird by Eminem. We play through a Creative iRobot speaker, so everyone will listen at the same time. And the same thing, I'll play 3 times in 3 different qualities in the different sequences as well.
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you. Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. We're all we got in this world when it spins.
Okay, the final one. Yeah, let's see who get the most correct answer and the most wrong ones. Alright, you see confidence?
No.
Oh, look at Sean, man. Nice.
You got the highest.
You know, highest, but if you make it all wrong, and then
Yeah.
someone get all right, then 3 then the same score. Alright, so now I have to split. Okay, everyone has the answers. You saw everything. If you have 5 more seconds.
No, I cannot decide.
Okay, so this time we'll start from Alex.
Yeah.
Okay, so alright for Alex. Okay, so the first one is from he cancelled out YouTube and he put a CD files, FLAC. Second one is Spotify, and third is from YouTube. So it's from the best to the last. So why is it so
Spotify, the middle one sounded really, really compressed, and I know
really
that
compressed?
people like Spotify and iTunes compress their tracks
So
quite a lot.
compression.
So that led me to putting Spotify in the middle as
Mhm.
FLAC and YouTube, but I know they're so different from each other, but it's pretty much.
So you can
The only bit, yeah, the third one just sounded a little bit worse than the first one.
So basically Alex can hear the tiny difference between the compression quality.
Yeah, it's weird that the YouTube and FLAC are a tiny difference for me like that.
Oh, it's just tiny difference, so it's pretty cool to know. Alright, next one, Joanna. Thank you. Oh, she changed the answer. Cheating! Second one, she swapped around. So second originally she put down Spotify, then she changed to a CD files. Interesting. Did she change it after Alex said the answer?
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Or we saw her change it. Right? So after that, yeah, for her YouTube, FLAC CD file, and then Spotify. Why is it so? And why did you change your answer last week?
I don't really know. But I think the first one was like it didn't really catch my ear in the first
Did you
time.
catch it? Yep.
So I think the first one is from YouTube, and I don't know. I think the second one is the best so far. So
Best.
yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's so hard. It's harder than my law exam, you know. It's giving me a headache.
Alright, so for her, it's user. Okay, after the first one, the second one is like instinct. They say, oh, it's the best. And the second one, you just put what's left for the answer. Next, the first one. Okay, trying to about to change the answer, but she decided not to. Okay, her first one is Spotify, then YouTube, and then the CD files. Yeah, wow, okay, it's pretty different from the other two. So may I know why?
I think I actually wanted to change the third one because
Third one.
the quality is not really good, but
Quality
it's
is not good.
loud.
It's loud.
It's loud. So I put noisy, and like as what he said, the second one is a bit compressed.
Second one.
So the quality is not that good.
Ooh.
But I don't know how to differentiate between Spotify and YouTube, so I just put Spotify first and YouTube second.
Ah, I see. So Sarin also knows, she can tell the difference in compression quality, tiny difference from the speakers. Yeah, we'll see later. Okay, so let's see whether this can get the correct ones. Alright, for Sarin. Yeah, this is the same as Sarin apparently.
Let's get the same.
Alright, so let's as the same as Sarin. So this first one is Spotify, YouTube, then the CD file FLAC. May I know why?
Because I felt like the flat file, the bass response was stronger
Ooh, stronger.
compared to like, and then the YouTube one is just a bit, like I said, washed out.
Washed
Kind of
out.
bass
Washed
sounds
out.
you can hear it like,
Ah.
and then Spotify I think it's just better. Spotify, YouTube, so like, but Spotify I think it sounds more balanced.
More balanced. So you can hear the for so it's different. He doesn't hear the compression, but he hear the bass.
Yeah.
So he decides by the bass.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's bass lover. He decides by the bass. So now for the final result. Alright, the final test, Mockingbird by Eminem. Let's reveal the answer now. The first one is actually a CD file.
Oh shit.
Oh my god!
There's something wrong with the CD.
I don't know. Okay, so
Don't get it right.
our three only Alex got it right.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Yes, your 9 grades paid off. Almost there. Okay, moving on. Second one is actually Spotify.
Oh.
I was right.
This is basically why student loan being paid off, right?
Okay, okay. Alex got all 3. Okay, the last one Alex was YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I shouldn't.
Oh shit, we got it totally wrong.
Totally
The
wrong.
last one is the other way around. It was speakers, so
I only got 1 point.
yeah, okay. So you got at least 1 point.
I shouldn't change
You got
it.
everything right.
But which one is okay? You got 1 point, right?
Up here.
Oh, you got 1 point and oh my god, Alex, from the last in class to the first, oh you got all 3 correct. Wow, okay, that's quite impressive. So for some people, like using headphones is better for them to listen, while some people prefer speakers, so they can tell the difference. But well, not bad. I think most of them at least got like 1 right, which is well impressive. So let's tally out the results. Sean has a 1, 2, 3, 4 points for Sean. Alex, this guy who gets on fastest, he has 3 points. What's the last test? Joanna has 1 point on the second test. So YouTube, and let's see Sean how many there. Oh, so has 2. Okay, for the first test and the second test, yes, he got wrong on the last one. Okay. Wow. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, 2-1.
Is this a coincidence? Normally in Singapore you buy a total of 4D with this, but yeah, so that's it for today's video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this. And if you have any comments like how to improve the video, or maybe you want to see someone else appearing in the next video, just comment down there. So For last time, Shawin, Joanna, Alex, and Sean. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for you guys for helping out as well. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video.